So guys, click on the link in the description and you'll get the link to the application. This page will open up and then you have to click on the apply now button. The form opens up, select the language English, then click on the next button. Then click on the country which you are residing in, select it and press on the next button. This page opens up. This is the next step of the form, which you will have the last date of application, and now you have to select your highest education level, whether it's high school, bachelor's, or any diploma, or any master's or PhD. So next you have to select your employment status, so I'm selecting this, and next you have to select if you are working with Mckinsey, so for me it's no. Now the experience, I have 3 years, so I'll select 1 to 5. And do you have a good command on English? It's yes. And how did you hear about this application or this program? So I heard it through LinkedIn, so I'm selecting LinkedIn here. So next is, did a specific organization that you are connected with or follow other than McKinsey provide you information about the forward program? So for me, my organization didn't provide this info, so I'm selecting no. And now there is this, you can ignore this in case of non-profit or non-governmental organization, university, alumni forward program has shared a referral code with you. Yeah, so yes, for this my friend had shared a referral code. They say it has no impact, but I think it has some impact. Okay, so I'll be putting the referral code that my friend had shared, so I'm entering it here, and now I have entered it. I'll click on the next button. So now you have to provide your email address. Make sure it's the correct email and it's your primary email that you are currently using. So you have to enter your email and enter it again in this column to make sure it matches exactly. Next you have to enter your full name, official name, which is there in your government ID like Aadhaar card or Aadhaar card. Okay, so full name and first name and last name. Then select your gender, and okay, so this you can ignore because it's for marketing purpose. So okay, I have some error here. Let's see. Okay, let me check it once more. The email I entered, name, everything is correct. Okay, now you have to enter your date of birth. So enter it like this. First enter your year, then your month and your day of birth. Next is your nationality, whether you are Indian or American or which country you belong to. What best describes your application employment status. So here you can enter if you are a employed person, or you are a businessman, or you work for a non-profit, non-governmental organization, or if you work for a government organization, if you work for a private company. Since I work for a private company, I'm selecting this. So again here you have to enter your full legal name, full name of your legal name of your company. This you can check in your GST documents or something where you have the right name. Okay, and in which country you are employed in, you have to select that. So my company is based out of Saudi, so I'm selecting Saudi Arabia. Next, this page opens up, and here you have to fill your personal motivation behind applying this program. I will select, okay, which should I select now? I'll select this option to help me advance in my next step of my career. And what are you studying right now? So I'm not currently studying, I'm a working professional. What best describes the main focus of your education either now or in the past? Okay, I am from formal sciences. I have done engineering, so I guess it should be formal sciences. Next, what best describes your family education background? So, my parents have completed graduation degree, so I will select the middle option. Then, which of the following most closely matches the field of your work? Actually, I am into real estate valuation, so let me check if that's there. Most probably it might not be there, so I'm selecting this option. Which of the following most closely matches your job function? So again, I will select the one which is most closely related to my field of work. Let's see. Going to answer it based on your latest work experience. So you might have changed your field of work also. So you have to answer based on what you are working right now. Next question is this. Okay, so here I'll select entry level, mid level, individual. What level are you? Okay, so please enter your job title. I'll enter my job title. You have option to not uh, enter this as well. So it's based on your preference. What describes your personal annual income? They want to know our income also. This also you can skip it by selecting I prefer not answer if you don't want to answer it. And next we have, do you have any affiliation with McKinsey and Company? All right, so I do not have any affiliation with McKinsey at Company. I don't work there, neither do I know any of my family or close friends or close members of my family who work in McKinsey. So I'll select no. Oops, I'll select no. Let me check once more if I've selected everything right. Okay, it's right. Now select next and give your confirmation for these acknowledgements. You have to select the check boxes here. Okay, and you have to click on the next button. See, okay, I didn't select all the boxes, so it's showing me an error. I just want to know if it's not about marketing. I don't select any marketing check boxes by mistake. Okay, I select next. Okay, so here we are. Our application process is now complete. Now all you have got to do is you have to wait for official mail from McKinsey that your application has got selected.
One eternity later.
I got this mail
Mckinsey
from
Forward
McKinsey
Program
saying that
application
my
gets
application
accepted.
has got selected for the forward program. It comes from this email ID from Forward Learners. Okay, and this is what the mail will look like. It will have your name. It will be addressed to you, just like any other course. Okay, let me scroll down and show you what it looks like. And here it will have your start date of your course and the end date of your course. So for me, the course has started on Thursday 2nd October and it will end on 9th December. So between this time I have to complete my whole course, and here I will get my username and a temporary password, which is of course temporary. I have to select it, enter it only once, and after that I will have to change it. Okay, and below there they have given a unique ID, which is like a user ID by McKinsey. Okay, then below here there is a button, if you can see it in blue color, called activate my account. So you have to click on activate my account and fill in all your email ID, either email ID, user ID, okay, and the temporary password that they have provided, and after that your account will get activated. What a signing page looks like. You will have to, as I said, enter your username, which is your user ID or your email. Then you have to enter your password. So let me enter it and let me log in and show you what the interface of McKinsey Forward Program basically looks like. After you log in, this is what the page will look like. Here you will see all your courses that you are enrolled to within McKinsey Academy. I have only one, which is McKinsey Forward Program. Okay, so I'll click on it and I'll show it to you. This is what it looks like. Now after clicking it, here you'll get your overall progress. On your right hand side, I have this program has 12 modules totally, so all the modules of the program will be displayed on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you'll get your total number of modules, and it will show you the count of the number of modules that you have already completed. And here if I scroll, you can see that here is what the modules will look like. So the modules have a survey in the beginning and an exit survey at the end to know what the learners have learned and what they have to reflect on. So I'm scrolling it and I'm showing you what all the McKinsey Forward Program contains. Okay, there are some case studies which they call case assignments. They teach communication skills, building relationships, setting goals, and planning your work. Okay, and building your digital toolkit. I don't know what is this, what is that digital toolkit, or if they'll be teaching any AI application. Mostly they are not teaching any AI tools or applications to you, but this is it for you today, all about McKinsey Forward Program. I hope you must have gained good insights and enjoyed this video. And if you have, please like this video, share this with your friends so that they could apply to McKinsey Forward Program and get the best out of them. Subscribe and thank you. Bye bye.